Hi everyone, welcome to Question AI video. In Spanish, stem-changing verbs, also known as shoe verbs, typically have a change in the stem in the present tense for all forms, except nosotros as corrí and vosotros as. Here's how you would describe the stem changes for each form that undergoes the change. Yo. The stem change occurs here. For example, if the verb is pensar, to think, which is an EYY stem-changing verb, it would change to pienso. To you, singular informal. Want the full explanation? Check out the details below for the complete answer.